How to have a custom layout that shows posts in the WordPress Full-Site Editor. The most flexible way right now is through the database panel of the DragBlock plugin. Here is the post layout we aim to build, which shows two recent posts. We will have the thumbnail of the first post on the left column, while on the right column we have its title at top, a separator at the middle, and the thumbnail as well as title of the second post at the bottom. Now, here's the initial layout, with the main wrapper named Posts. To begin with, we load recent posts by adding a Get Posts query to the Posts box through the database panel. Next, retrieve data of the first post using a parse item query at the first wrapper of the Posts box. Then add a link block with the href attribute set to post URL shortcode for linking to the post. Now, we add an image to the link block and remove unnecessary elements. Set post thumbnail src shortcode as the src attribute to display the thumbnail of the post. Here, in the second wrapper, we add another link block to display the title of the post using post title shortcode. Next, this wrapper here is just for a separator, so we set its height to 0 and add a border. Finally, at the last wrapper, we add a new parse item query to get the data of the second post. Then also adding the thumbnail and title for the second post. Before checking the result, let me decorate the layout real quick using the appearance panel of DragBlock. Okay, everything is done. Let's turn to the live web page to check for the result. As you can see, the recent posts are showing correctly as expected. To recap, at the main wrapper named Posts, we use Get Posts query to load recent posts from the database. Then, with a parse item query, we retrieve data from the first post, and all post shortcodes after this point will be replaced with its data. Similarly, another parse item query is used to get data from the second post, replacing all relevant shortcodes. But how can we show posts from a specific category? We can display posts from a certain category, such as gaming category, by adding parameters to our Get Posts query. In this case, we add the category in parameter with the value set to gaming. Save the design and check the live web page again. And everything works beautifully. That's how easy it is to create custom post designs using the database panel of the DragBlock plugin. Thanks for watching and happy editing.